Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And now that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Flip 4 is officially launching on 10th of August, and we also have its pricing of the smartphone. Now, not only that, the pricing also, there are minor significant upgrades on the both of the smartphone, the Fold 4 and the Flip 4. Now, directly moving towards the pricing of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, then the phone will be coming with a price hike of 64 euros, and it will be starting at 1864 euro, which converts the pricing in India to be around 1,52,000 rupees for the base storage of 256 GB variant. Now moving forward with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 series of smartphone, then it will be getting a price hike of 80 euros, which converts it around in India for to be at 88,000 rupees according to the leak, and it's indeed an 81 euro of price increase in India when compared last year. It was launched in at 1000 euros, and this time it's launching at 1080 euros. Now, not only that, apart from this price increase, the Galaxy Watch 5 will also be seen with a better battery life, and also the Buds Pro 2 are also coming from the Samsung inside at the Unpacked event on the August 10th. And apart from that, if you are indeed looking to buy the best smartwatches which you can buy under different budget brackets, you can also check out the playlist at the end of this video. Now we know that the significant upgrades will be including the Qualcomm's latest processor, which is Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and you will be getting a better waterproofing with this smartphone or the IP certification, and the under the display camera will still be exclusive towards the Galaxy Z Fold series lineup, which is the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and you will also be getting, apart from that, the S Pen support once again on the Galaxy Fold 4. Now if you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.